अडवय 70 कासाक रानात गेल्ले कडेन तरणाटो हेमंत देसाय फार लागून सोंपलो. ताचो वांगडी अभिजीत देसायान खंय चुकोन ट्रिगर वडलो. हॉस्पिटलांत व्हेलो थंय सोंपलो म्हूण घोशीत.
Two people has gone for hunting wildlife. So one person by name Hemant, by name Abhijit, has accidentally fired which hit Hemant.
Yes.
And after the incident happened about midnight before, and then the accused called his relative, and the motorcycle was there at the spot, and they put the victim at the table seat and they took them in a health center where he was declared dead. We received a complaint of the uncle of the deceased, and accordingly we registered FIR. The FIR is of culpable homicide, not amounting to murder, and the arm which they were using for hunting was illegal. That means it was not having any license. So we also added Arms Act to the offence. The matter is under investigation. And the weapon is also lying at the scene, and forensic team is already come here, and we will do necessary investigation. No, the investigation is the primary stage. So we will be continuing the investigation, and we'll be getting the residue, gunpowder, which is will the hand wash of the both accused as a victim, and we will investigate.
प्रुडंटा खातीर 70 कल्पेश गांवस.